Ready?
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Go!
Matt 15.
You already knew it.
I knew it.
Yes.
My car smell bad?
Oh, Stephen Curry. Oh. Stephen Curry. Oh. What is this? Oh. Oh. Bose headphones.
Ah, yes. Speaker.
James Harden jersey.
Oh, it's a bow
Yeah.
and arrow.
James Harden.
Gary, Connor,
What?
look.
Underwear. Fathead. Oh, fathead. Sweet.
Oh my god.
Boo!
Your phone.
James Harden.
It's golden too.
Connor, I got James Harden and Steph Curry.
There's that thing.
What the fuck? Oh, STM gear.
iPad case. What in?
Oh.
Dick's Sporting Goods. Oh, Ohio State and the Wheat Sox. Sweet. Shorts.
Some more bow and arrows.
Oh, I got a Steph Curry jersey too. What? Oh, dude, no, I got a Steph Curry.
Oh, this is what I asked for.
I didn't even know I didn't even know I asked for a Steph Curry jersey. Another Dick's Sporting Goods. Gonna be a. Oh, sick.
Oh, no
Ohio
freaking
State
way.
stuff.
To your
Fatheads.
3DS.
Oh,
Ohio State fatheads.
are you kidding me?
And shirts. Oh. Last present to open here.
Yay! Smash Brothers!
More stuff. Oh!
Oh, look,
Shorts!
a 750-piece puzzle.
We gotta do that
Shorts!
today.
Try shorts.
Elite shorts.
You knew that right away, man. Nice.
Oh my gosh.
Six.
James Harden jersey. I'll take a rip of this hat off. Here.
Yeah, careful with the ripping.
Oh my gosh.
I love it.
Garrett.
Garrett, you're looking sweet.
Oh! Oh, I got an Air Jordan jersey? This yours?
No.
It's mine.
You open them up so fast, you don't even know what you got.
Air Jordan. I got Michael Jordan jersey too.
Oh,
Let me try on my
some
stuff.
STM's Elite
What
Soft.
does this mean?
STM
Oh,
Cardinals? What?
It's a gift. It's yours to keep forever.
A helmet?
Ooh.
Garrett, nice.
Mom.
That looks great on you. Oh, that's
Harden jersey
cute,
And
Grace.
Steph Curry. And I got the same players in my figurine things. And the
Sweetness.
Fine, I wanted headphones too.
Please be shorts. Please be shorts.
Last gift?
That's not my last one.
Oh, yeah.
Garrett, you're like super unwrapper guy.
You are super unwrapper guy. You're like 5 seconds flat.
Dang it.
Oh, no way.
Those were
Oh
awesome.
my gosh. Oh, no way.
Love it.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this.
Love it.
I'm wearing these to practice.
That's awesome.
Maybe it's the best one.
Connor, did you get shorts?
He's not there yet, man. He's taking it all in.
I don't have more presents.
Oh yeah.
Oh, finally, Otis used to.
Under Armour pants.
Oh, those are sweet.
Oh, I just got one.
We got an all-star. Oh, look, Mom. All-star.
Yeah.
All-star game 2015.
Yeah, you open them up so fast you don't even know what it is.
Elite socks. Elite socks.
Those are Connor's, yeah.
We got Fathead.
Oh, yeah.
This. This. Oh,
That's exactly what I want. Oh my gosh. Yes.
Those are awesome.
Uh-huh.
Garrett.
Oh, Mom.
Those are sweet.
Plan 15.
And oh, look at these.
Those are awesome.
One more.
Can I take a spin with that thing?
Is it raining?
No.
What do you got there, CB? Your headphones?
Like,
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
things to play music.
Oh my gosh.
No,
This is crazy.
It's just
Look.
outside.
Is it still raining, Gene?
No.
No way.
Hold on, wait. What time is it up there?
Oh my
6:41.
god.
Okay, you gotta wait till it's sunlight. You guys are killing me. What do you guys think about the scooters, man? Those are pretty sweet.
Go ahead. Garrett.
We already actually saw them.
That's
Wait, what's
fine.
up with the All-Star jerseys? Or
Just-
t-shirts?
Just shirts.
Candy.
The answer to your question, Connor, is yes. We're gonna try to get tickets and go to the game.
Sweet.
Oh yeah, I'm eating this. Too bad I could spoil my breakfast anyway. And gum, and look what I got, Mom. Poopery.
Poopery.
Smell fresh.
Love it.
I want to see what this fat is. $9.99.